I'm James Peters, Product Manager at Nureva, and today we'll explore how the acoustic check tool can help ensure optimal audio quality in your meeting rooms and classrooms. Acoustic check is a feature in the Nureva app that evaluates potential microphone and speaker bar positions in a room using just an iPhone. It helps you predict the audio quality of your HDL310 or HDL410 system for remote participants by measuring background noise and reverberation, and it combines these measurements in an overall score. Acoustic check can be used pre-installation to reduce setup time and avoid issues, and it can be used post-installation to quickly isolate and resolve acoustic problems. Let's see how it works. First, download and install the Nureva app from the App Store. Open the app, select Start Acoustic Check and enter your room details and dimensions. Next, you will perform a reverberation test, which involves popping a latex balloon. This step measures the reverberation time of the room to indicate whether reverberation might impact the audio experience. Reverberation is the persistence of sound in a room after it is produced. It varies from room to room, and surfaces and furnishings are often factors. Excessive reverberation can cause echoes and muddled audio, making it hard for participants to understand what is being said in and out of the room. It's important when doing the acoustic check that no one is speaking so that only the background noise is picked up. The next step is to measure the background noise at the intended installation location. This will help you identify potential issues from vents, fans, or other loud noise sources. Background noise can significantly affect audio quality, causing distractions and making it difficult for participants to hear clearly. High background noise levels can lead to poor communication and increased listener fatigue. Once those two measurements are complete, an overall acoustic score is calculated to predict the audio performance at that location. It's represented as a simple score out of 100. With the acoustic check tool, you can improve the process for new installations in your meeting rooms and classrooms, making every meeting and class more effective. And you can also use acoustic check if you're curious about a microphone and speaker bar's position after it's been installed. Download the Nureva app today and explore its many features for optimizing and customizing your HDL310 or HDL410 system. And for more information, visit our website or contact Nureva support. Thanks for watching.